Wendy's ignoring me. She don't care about me.
Girl, I'm already having anxiety and you're telling me this?
So we're gonna be there the whole day. So it shuts down. So we're gonna walk over there. Mirror? Yeah. So we're gonna walk over there and I'll probably vlog when nobody's watching over there because it's weird. And then I don't want nobody to know how we use the channel because
they're gonna try to get the fame off of you guys. They're gonna try to come up. They want the clout.
So let's check in with you guys later.
That you won't find no bolder men than those of them that's going in for holiness. God goes with them. You know about going harder. Walk with me.
We're out here in Knott. Oh, I want an ice cream before I leave. It's hot. We just went on Silver Bullet and I almost puked. Dude, I felt my stomach turn.
But she
oh,
didn't
what a churro! And it's fun. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Se me está antojando todo. Like, I wanted to come up on the right. And how it's gonna be a treat for everybody. So we're out here. And it's hot. And I forgot to bring my little tripod. And we're walking. Where are we going?
The Big Foot Rapids.
We're gonna get weight. We're gonna get weight a little bit. And I'll probably record a little bit.
Oh, no one?
Yeah. I'll probably record when we're on that one. Oh, my necklace. And yeah. And I need a pee. Yeah. Oh, why do they have Coke and no Dr. Pepper? I already did. So yeah. I'll record a little bit when we're in line. And we're about to get on the right, probably in on the right a little bit. So I'll see you guys in the beach. So next. With
Knows how to overlook a fence like a peeping Tom. Easy to smoke your problems away with that Cheech and Chong. It's hard to take them head.
chickens. Look at all those ducks.
Charles, please head to the team lead office. Charles, to the office.
I'm gonna get lost. I actually enjoy this, but my arm is hurting. Remember, I really should have brought the tripod. Where am I editing you out? I don't want your ugly ass up in here. I'm just kidding. It's because I'm gonna show these to my mama. Se los voy a mandar a México.
Dude, my makeup's gonna get so nasty throughout there.
But I have my Becca powder, so we finna do this.
Leg up. I go off hard for this. No holds barred, good Lord, this it. No arguments, keeping my cool. They don't find no arsonists. It's hard to miss. 116.
This is not gonna happen. It's a Yeti! What the hell? Te miaste. I got scared. We just got off and we're heading to Pony Express? Yeah, we're going to Pony Express. Can't do this without Wendy. So we're going on Pony Express. So see you guys when I get on there. We just recommend to use your phone. We're gonna edit all of this out. We just got off Pony Express and we're heading over to Ghost Rider. Hell no. With Erica. Erica's getting on with us. And it's Wendy. And Erica's a little scaredy cat. No, I'm not. I saw the pues quiero ver que the people want to see.
You guys want to see it? Give it likes, comments, subscribe to these guys, and I'll get on.
Next time we come.
If it has 2,000K, I'll get on, guys.
I don't know, 10 años. Okay, so we're gonna head over to Ghost Rider, and then we're gonna wait in line for like an hour maybe, and then I'll talk to you guys later. Are you getting on? She's getting on, guys. But this is gonna help you survive. Okay, guys, let you know. Didn't even pass on my lab. I'm not even gonna try to help you. Connect 4. Mini Connect 4. We just got off Ghost Rider.
You should have gotten a GoPro.
So yeah, before this thing goes down. Already who can afford it? I mean, that's why I'm doing this. And my voice is gone. I was
screaming into it. I was screaming and laughing so bad.
Miss Wendy didn't ride with me because I went with Boss. Eric almost fainted, guys.
Not even.
But she went on.
I told you guys I went to 2K. I was gonna get on. Thank you guys.
For
Yes, thank you guys.
Oh, I know. That was so funny. Where are we going over here? So we're gonna go eat right now and probably McDonald's. So I'll see you guys over there because there's a lot of haters over here. Somebody was hungry. Sue me. Going to Jaguar. Guys, the ride was broken.
We waited in line really for 45 minutes.
And
like that was a waste of time.
Wow. So sad, so depressing. Where are we going now?
Ask Jaden. Jaden online.
So Jaguar was broken and I wasted 45 minutes of my valuable YouTube life, and I'm never getting those 45 minutes back, so I will be soon.
That was a fun ride.
And I don't know where we're going. So I'll let you guys know later. Bye.
Like a peeping Tom. Easy to smoke your problems away with that cheech-a-chong. It's hard to take them head on who man's up before the law. What about the brother that discovered that his level was under the covers with another man? That's hard. With everything inside, they get me when they go one body, can buddy giving them grace instead. That's hard. What about them brothers who are wanted by multiple women, but they're married and they know they gotta be different children, so they willingly live and they faithfully giving their wife everything. I'm going on, going harder than I've ever been. I put that on everything. I'm going on, going harder than I've.
Smile, smile. Open it or drop it. Hey guys, so we're here waiting for our wing stop so we can head to the beach. We're here at the beach, guys, and it's cold. We're just gonna eat. I'm gonna show you guys the beach.
Second Adam, boys paintball, I'm up in Adam. For the paintball, I'm up to bat it. Patient for the win, cause we win slow with these family matters. I'm so convinced that you won't find no gold.
Ooh, damn my hair. Wendy. So it's kind of cold. It's actually getting kind of hot.
Starting to sweat.
I'm starting to sweat already. It was really cold when we got, not really cold, it was just like air and stuff. Like here's the beach. We're gonna eat our wing stop for a bit and then go for a swim. And I actually don't feel.
You don't know how to swim, you said.
I do know how to swim, not a lot, but kind of.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I don't feel embarrassed to vlog here. I feel because I'm probably never gonna see these people again. So I don't care. So yeah, guys, look. Ooh, pretty. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys when we're going. In a second, when we're going into the water. Because Wendy said for you guys it's a second, even though for me it's like 10 minutes, but whatever. Okay, so we'll check in with you guys later. Oh, I didn't even.
Classic original hot on the large fries with no seasoning.
Because she's healthy. I'm not. That's not me. Original hot and then 2 lemon pepper because I've been craving some even though I didn't like them the first time. And large fries with extra seasoning. And we're just chillaxing.
Girl, I'm not eating.
I'm about to eat.
So it was, oh my god, it's starting to get hot. It was cold and now it's freaking hot. Yo, I'm sweating. Somebody take me home. Let's go. So yeah, we're gonna get in the beach in a bit. So I'll talk to you guys as I was eating. I thought about something that happened with Wendy. So once I bought wings from Ponto Pizza and I offered her a wing, right? A wing? You know where I'm going with this?
I think so.
Okay. I offered her a wing. Now, me with my wings, I don't play. I love my wings. I clean them really good. Look at this. Clean. Clean wing right there. Right? And I offered her a wing that one day and she puts it back and we were about to throw everything and she said, oh, you can throw it away. I'm done. This girl left all the meat on there.
Not all of it.
Girl, stop playing with me. You left some like in the middle on the bone and everything on the edges. And I got so mad I ended up finishing it, and ever since then I told her how to clean a bone and now she cleans her bones so. But you guys, I almost cried when I saw that. I was like, damn, I've been friends with this person, this monster this whole time. And she be acting like this up in this house. This is a shirt I bought yesterday at Ross. Oh my lord. Yeah. For $3.49? Yeah, I think, or yeah, 3 something. And I'm wearing it with my bottom. So guys, we're here laying down. Say hi, Wendy. Hi, Wendy. We're just tanning at the beach. Just kidding. We're just laying down because we're too tired and I'm hungry. I'm about to eat it.
Okay.
Man, this is so boring. I still continue to do this. Like in the first 2 videos, I literally said, I'm so boring. I don't know why I'm doing this, and I'm still doing it.
I'm sorry. For everybody who has to watch this. But nobody forces you, huh? Nobody forces you. And I'm talking to Ken and Giovanni. Nobody forced us. Guys, we're leaving the beach. We have to climb over the. Guys, we're fresh out the water, huh, Wendy? Just got out the water. We already went to change. I'm wearing what I wore to begin with, dude. Yeah, I got a tan, guys. Look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Tan right there. Oof. So yeah, we're gonna go get some Joe's. We came to Joe's. There's one right there. Yummy.
What did you get?
I got strawberries and cream gelati. I got the strawberries and cream gelati in regular size. What did you get?
My god. Passion fruit. Gelati.
Don't worry, guys. I took my lactate pills. Dude, I cannot speak. I don't have to read it. Don't worry, guys. I took my oh my. Don't worry, guys. I took my lactate pills, so the dairy's not gonna hit my stomach that much. Okay, guys. I bit into my cup because I thought it would be funny to act like it was a cone, and now my cup is missing a side. And it's right here. It was worth it though. Anything for the what was it, a Snapchat?
You have the man, the master.
I have the master. What's that say? So we're back home. We're gonna go home and shower. Well, I'm gonna shower. No, she's probably not gonna shower because she's nasty like that.
I'm just kidding.
And we'll see you guys some other day, right? We're gonna end it here because I'm gonna go to sleep later. Probably, most likely. So we'll see you guys some other time. Thank you for spending this quality time with Eileen. And Wendy. We don't need to up in here. Just kidding. Okay, guys. Bye. Bye. We'll catch you next time. Okay, bye. We'll catch you next time.
Bye.
We'll catch you next time. So we'll catch you guys next time. On the next episode of Eileen and Wendy. Bye, guys.
Bye.
I can never.